Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Endro Hatmanto, and today we are going to talk about strategies to write introduction for scriptsy. This is the second part. We are focusing on writing problem backgrounds. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Well, strategies to write introduction for scriptsy 2. Once again, we are going to focus on writing a problem background and how to write the problem background. The first step is you need to discuss the context of the research and how it is relevant to the current educational setting, especially in your specific case here. In this case, because we are focusing on a high school student in Yogyakarta, we are going to use it as the context. And the content suggestions, or the content that we can suggest to be included in this part is, you need to introduce the specific context of your study. Why is this issue important at your research site? For example, student in Yogyakarta participating in an English speaking club. And the second one is discuss the challenges students face in acquiring speaking skills in formal educational setting. For example, limited speaking practice, focusing on written exams, or lack of practice opportunities. And the third one, you need also to highlight how the English club could be a potential solution to these challenges and what it aims to achieve. Okay, the first is introduce the specific context of your study. Why is this issue important at your research site? For example, a student in Yogyakarta participating in an English speaking club. You can write like this. In the context of English language learning in Yogyakarta, students often face significant challenges in developing their speaking skills. Despite the increasing emphasis on English proficiency in the national curriculum, many students struggle to achieve fluency in speaking due to limited exposure to authentic conversational practice in formal classroom settings. Traditional language instruction in Indonesian high schools tend to focus more on reading and writing skills, with assessment primarily evaluating grammar and written comprehensions rather than oral communication. As a result, students may lack confidence in speaking, experience anxiety when using English in real-life situations, and find it difficult to apply their language skills beyond structured classroom activities. And then the next steps is you need to discuss the challenges students face in acquiring speaking skill in a formal educational settings. For examples, in the context of Indonesian secondary schools, there are some challenges here in developing the English skills, like limited speaking practices, to focus on written examination, or lack of practice opportunities here, speaking practice opportunities. So you can write like this. One of the key barriers to speaking proficiency in the classroom is the limited times allocated for interactive speaking activities. Large class sizes and teacher-centered approaches often leave minimal opportunities for students to engage in meaningful conversation. Moreover, students may fear making mistakes in front of their peers, further discouraging them from participating in oral discussion. Given these challenges, extracurricular programs such as English clubs present a promising alternative for students to practice speaking in a more relaxed and encouraging environment. Okay, so once again, this is focusing on the challenge and the student face in developing the English speaking skills. especially in the context of formal education in Indonesian schools. And the next step, you can highlight how the English club could be a potential solution to this challenge and what aims to achieve. You can write like this. English clubs provide an informal yet structured setting where students can actively engage in conversation, participate in interactive activities, and develop their communication skills with peers who share similar learning goals. Through debates, role plays, storytelling, and discussions, students can improve their fluency, pronunciation, and confidence in speaking English. Additionally, the club environment fosters a sense of community and motivation, making language learning a more enjoyable and meaningful experience. Given the potential benefit of English clubs in supporting students' speaking development, this study aims to explore students' perceptions toward joining an English club as an extracurricular activity and its impact on their speaking skills. Okay, so that's this paragraph once again highlight how the English club could be, could potentially give or offer solution to the challenge of limited exposure to English practice in the context of Indonesian schools. That's all, ladies and gentlemen, and I do hope that you can understand these explanations. Thank you very much for your attention, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.